what you got? What is that? It's the shell of the pecan, right? Huh? That'll keep you busy for a bit. And look at the mess. Look what you did. Messy boy. Yeah. That's a good chew toy, huh? You like it? Mm-hmm. Now what you doing? Who did you find there? Who's that? Who's that? Is he cute? Of course you're gonna do peekaboo. I see you. Peekaboo. Say knock, 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 knock. Say hello. 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 Who's there? Who's there? Peekaboo. Who's that? Peekaboo. I see you. You're funny. You could play peekaboo all day. That's it, all done? You're such a messy little boy. Look at the mess. Look what you do. What did you do? Okay, say bye. Bye. Bye-bye.